Hi everyone, so today's session is on how to wash our hands. Please make sure that you have soap available at all times by the sink at the children's level so that they can access it as and when they please. Let's start by turning on the tap, preferably warm water to help kill the germs. This is the way we wet our hands, wet our hands, wet our hands. This is the way we wet our hands before we apply the soap. This is the way we wet our hands, wet our hands, wet our hands. This is the way we wet our hands before we apply the soap. So now let's use 2 puffs of soap. This is the way we rub our hands, rub our hands, rub our hands. This is the way we rub our hands to kill all the germs. This is the way we rub our hands, rub our hands, rub our hands. This is the way we rub our hands to kill all the germs. This is the way we rinse our hands, rinse our hands, rinse our hands. This is the way we rinse our hands to get rid of all the soap. This is the way we rinse our hands, rinse our hands, rinse our hands. This is the way we rinse our hands to get rid of all the soap. Okay, so now let's use the tissue to dry our hands. This is how we dry our hands to make sure that they are all nice and clean and dry, ready to start getting on with some activities. Let's make sure that in between each finger is nice and dry. There we are, all the water has gone. Now we can use our tissue that we've just dried our hands with to turn off the tap. And then don't forget guys, most important, let's put the tissue in the bin.